What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, which means all you gotta do is follow those links and you'll be directed to my official social media platforms. I got a lot of fake IGs, Telegrams, and YouTubes out there, all right? So before y'all send y'all money to anybody claiming to be King Hussle, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're talking to me, see this face, and you're doing legit business, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So it's Sunday, back to dropping gems. I got so much information. I got so many channels I'm dropping information on. So y'all gotta stay tuned. Y'all gotta be aware of what's going on. That's why I tell y'all subscribe and hit the all notification bell, because you might miss out on something. But today I'm on the main channel and we're gonna be talking about another bad credit payday loan for $5,000. And I know y'all wanna know, if you didn't watch the videos yesterday, why I'm talking about payday loans. I'm talking about payday loans because a lot of people out there are self-employed. A lot of people pay their self. A lot of people work 9-to-5 jobs. A lot of people need money to get by into the next payday loan or the next check or whatever like that. So it's easier to get payday loans because all you need is bank statements and pay stubs and things like that. Sometimes you don't even need that. And today I'm going to be talking about a place where a lot of people, I've done business with, a lot of people whose credit I've worked on, a lot of people who's come to me and say, hey, Hussle, I need to get a quick loan back, a payday loan. My credit's bad. Where do I go? So I literally directed them to this place to get that bad credit payday loan for up to $5,000, and they received it. So today I'm going to be telling you guys where they're going to get your $5,000 for your payday loan for bad credit. No paperwork. All you need is to fill out the information, get approved, and get your check, and get the money to your bank account. And yes, you can really get $5,000, real $5,000 from this bad payday loan place. All right, so today we're gonna talking about bigloan.com. They're giving out from $100 to $5,000. All credit scores are welcome, repay within 3 to 72 months. All right, so let's get into them. So today we're gonna be talking about Big Loan, bad credit payday loans. All right, options. $100 to $5,000. All credit scores are welcome. Repay in 3 to 72 months. See your loan options in just a few steps. Bad credit, no problem. Get approved in 3 minutes. All right. So you basically fill out how much you selecting. You went up to $5,000, any amount, your email, and then representative example. $1,000 loan over a 12-month term will have the total cost, including interest, a total payback amount of $1,100, basically, or APR 29.82, rates between 5.99 APR and 35.99 APR, learn terms, lengths from 61 days to 72 months for qualified consumers. All right, so how does it work? First step, you're going to fill out a short online form secured with a 256-bit technology, all from the comfort of your home. Get approved. If approved, review all terms, conditions, and rates provided by your lender. Check your account. Get money deposited in your account as soon as the next business day. So what is Big Loan? Bigloan.com, we provide a service that aims to connect customers with lenders as soon as the next business day. People across the country use personal loans to help them pay back emergency expenses like medical bills, mechanic fees, etc. All right? We can help you find loans without heaps of paperwork up to $5,000, which means you don't need all that extra paperwork for them to, get you approved for the $5,000 payday loan, right? And you can apply for multiple loans with multiple lenders to get multiple $5,000 loans too. So it don't gotta be just $5,000. The more people you get lended, and you get more money. So our online form is quick, secure, and hassle-free. Your information is protected by 256-bit technology. You may be approved even if you have poor credit. Not bad, but poor credit. All right. Repayment and APR information. Lenders in our network offer positive repayment terms. If you feel you need to pay off your loan earlier, you may do so without fees. All right, so that's good. Our lenders give you as long as 72 months to repay your loan. View terms below. Pending lending period 6 months to 72 months. Payment options once or twice a month. Maximum APR range from 5.99 to 35.99. All right, so if you get a $2,000 loan for 12 for a year, 24 APR monthly, you be making $189.12. You pay back $2,269.44. Let's say you got a $4,000 loan for 2 years at 12%. You be paying $188.29 a month. You pay back $4,518.96 a month. Let's say you got a $6,000 loan at 36 months at 12%. You be paying back $199.29 a month, and the total repayment would be $7,174.29. All right. So if you borrow $5,000 over a 48-month period, and the loan had an 8% arrangement fee, $400, your monthly repayments would be $131 with a total payback amount of $6,320.12, which including the 8% fee paid from the loan amount would have a total cost of $1,720.12, representative 18.23 APR. Right? So why big loan? Because bigloan.com can submit your information from the comfort of your home and get funds as soon as the next business day. All right, it's quick. In most cases, you'll get results in just in a few minutes, so you won't have to wait in long bank lines. Submit your information online. You can submit your information online, financial data from the comfort of your home, and they use the technology encrypted to secure. So what is a personal loan? And what is it? What can I use it for? How can I protect my privacy and personal information? How fast will I receive the money? The earlier you receive the money can be as early as the next business day. So if you apply Monday, you get it Tuesday. You apply Tuesday, you get it Wednesday. Are there any application fees? So it just breaks down all the things that you need: home, terms and condition, facts, the e-consent, everything like that. All right, so boom. So we gonna talk about it, how you can get, if you're self-employed or got a 9-to-5 job, how you can get your $5,000 loan. All right, with bad, poor credit, no paperwork, bad credit, no problem, approved in 3 minutes. All right, so big loan. Let's talk about these people right here and how you can get approved for even more than $5,000, because there's other lenders out there that approve you for more with bad credit and payday loans. All right, so let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. $5,000 payday bad credit, poor credit loan for anybody out there with bad or poor credit. Now, let's go through the steps how you can get approved for these loans. Like I told you guys before, every video I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions how to clean your CP and get your CP looking better to get approved for these loans. All right. So the first step you need to do before you go apply for these loans is make sure you got a bank account, checking and savings account. All right. If you don't got that, make sure you go get that. If you don't got that, go get that. But that's gonna actually push a little time back, because the relationship that you're building with that bank, and they want to make sure, because when you apply for these loans, they're gonna see when you open up this bank account and all the transactions that you have been making. All right. So, or you just need to send in your pay stubs like that and your bank statements. It depends on the situation. So make sure you go open up a bank account, personal checking and savings. All right. Once you do that, go get your FICO score. Go see what your FICO score is. Once you go see what your FICO score is, any account that's over 7 years old is expired. It's technically classified as expired. So once you go freeze your account, like I showed you guys in the previous video, how to freeze your account across the board, the 3 credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Once you freeze that, all 3 of them, then you go back to your credit profile and you start disputing all your negative collection accounts, all your collection accounts, right? Then you're going to start seeing drop-offs. You're going to start seeing stuff drop off your CP, your credit profile. Then you're going to start seeing points added to your credit, right? So once you do a little cleaning, then you're going to go to the website that I showed you to add those trade lines, because now you're going to start adding good debt to your CP to let them know, like, all right, you got these payments and you've been making these payments on this debt on time, and you're showing worthiness for us to give you a loan, right? So boom, you're going to get the revolving credit, the installment loans, you're going to get all that, and it's different installment loans that you can get, whatever you're looking to get. So let's say you're trying to get a $5,000 loan. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go get you a $10,000 installment loan, put that on your CP. So it's gonna say, okay, you got this $10,000 a loan on your credit, and you're trying to get a loan for $5,000. You've been paying this loan back on time, etc. You're gonna have a better chance of getting that loan. All right. So once you get them trade lines on there, then if you're self-employed, you want to go get you some pay stubs. You want to generate you some pay stubs. You want to generate you bank statements just in case. You know what I'm saying? So if you generate your pay stubs, I showed you where to go to get your pay stubs. And literally, the site will literally, all you gotta do is plug in information, select your state, and it'll generate you pay stubs with the correct information, with the correct numbers, so you won't be just lost and willy-nilly and all that good stuff like that. If you're self-employed, if you have a 9-to-5 job, and make sure you're getting direct deposit. Don't get checks. Everybody want to get their check and go cash their check and have physical money in their hand. No, stop doing that. If you get direct deposit and it goes directly to your bank account, you will literally start saving more money, and it'll look better on your bank transactions, because you see you're getting a consistent flow of money transferred in your account, and you're getting paid on a regular basis, time period, right? Vice versa, you just going to the bank, cashing your check, and then getting the cash and going, and it's not going to see that money's been into your account. So anybody out there that does not have direct deposit, get direct deposit from your job, because that looks way better for the banks, for these loans and everything else, all right? And it's going to help you save money, because if you money going to your bank account, 9 times out of 10, you don't got a debit card. You're not going to spend that money. You get a debit card, you're not gonna want to use that card all the time. You're gonna be like, I don't want to use my card. You're gonna start acting a different way. You're gonna start having frivolously with your money in your card, and you're not gonna want to use it. You're gonna save money. All right. So once you add that trade line, let it sit, let it marinate for a second, then go apply for this loan. All right. Then go apply for the $5,000 payday loan. All right. And there's other lenders that you can go apply for payday loans. So this place might give you $5,000. The next place might give you $5,000. The next place might give you $5,000. And the next place might give you $5,000. You just already made you $25,000 just off payday loans. All right. So make sure y'all taking them steps. Make sure y'all taking that information in y'all road, because it's really easy for you to get this money. y'all like showing this. Everybody want to show getting this. This is nothing. You can get this so easy, and I'm trying to show y'all how to get these loans, how to get these credit cards. I'm gonna show y'all how to do all this, because getting this money is easy. You just gotta trust the process. You gotta know what you're doing. You gotta actually take the chances, take the risk. So I'm telling y'all, when I start making quick $5,000s and $10,000s real quick off loans and getting these credit cards and investing into y'all businesses and stuff, is very, 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 very easy. You just got to get y'all business together. You got to make sure everything's in order, because they're not going to just lend anybody any money. So everybody out there that's watching these videos and it's like, oh, my credit bad, I'm going to go apply for a loan. It's not going to work. Make sure when you go apply for a loan, everything looks good, or on your CP or whatever you got going on, so you can have a better chance of getting these loans. That's why I tell you step by step how to make it look good so you can get approved. All right. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all follow me. Shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans. Shout out to all my Real King Hustle supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So I really salute y'all. I'm still looking for models. I'm still looking for rappers. I'm still looking for actors. I'm still looking for cameramen. I'm still looking for producers. I'm still looking for people for my production company. So if you got any talent, if you're a rapper, music reviews are $200. You don't got $200, you're not willing to invest in yourself, why should I invest $200,000 in you? Make it make sense. So no sending me music without payment. If you sending me music without payment, I will not look at it. No disrespect, but it's business. A lot of people don't understand business. All right. So please understand that this is business, that this is not a game. I'm not just investing in anybody I don't do bad investments. All right, so make that clear. If you're a model out there, please, please, please be able to be corrected, because if you're able to be corrected, you can be directed. A lot of people got a bad attitude. There's a lot of women out there with bad attitudes that are in a position that they wish they were not in. So if you got somebody that can actually put you in a position that you want to be in, that's going to make sense, that's going to make you money, that's going to elevate you in life, that's going to boss you up, please have the right head on your shoulders. Please be ready to work. Please be ready to elevate, because what I do over here will put you in all the right positions. I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars. I'm going to show you how to make money off being beautiful. I'm going to show you how to make money on your twerk videos, and we're going to win and make money together, point blank period. But if you think you can do it by yourself and you ain't did it yet, cool, do your thing. Also, Producers, you got good beats, you got them good keys, tap in with me, let's collab on some beats. Cameraman, you got a good camera, 4K, 6K, 8K, red camera, or better, Sony, you know what you're doing, you got good editing skills, tap in with me. Houston, Texas, or surrounding areas, if you could travel, that's cool too. Let's get this money, let's win together. It's your boy King Hussle, this Hussle Nation, and I'll see you on next video. Peace. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. Make sure y'all follow all YouTube channels too, because I'm going to be dropping videos on there that you might miss out on the raffle, giveaway, Air Jordans, Air Force Ones, unlimited gyms. So go follow, go subscribe, go comment, go share, and I'll see y'all there. Peace.